and you can take that and turn those into pieces of content. You start with your survey, and you're going to do all of this live. So your survey results that you get, people are going to tell you what they're struggling with, what that problem is. And you're just going to have to start with that, and you're going to have to start creating content. It's important to speak as an authority on your topic. And in order to be that go-to person, you have to be a thought leader. You have to create content. Like, you should have at least one medium that you are posting consistently on. Whether it's, if video is your medium, you need to be doing YouTube videos on a consistent basis, at least once a week. If audio is your medium, then get you a podcasting mic and start podcasting and publish a podcast at least once a week. If written is your method and that's your preferred medium, then you should be cranking out at least one blog post a week. Like, you've got to be consistent with content somewhere, because if you're a thought leader and you're the person who other people are looking to for help, you got to be able to provide that help. You have to have some sort of content.